Imagine a future where machines learn your darkest secrets. Shocking, right? Today we dive into AI experiments that many ignore. These experiments raise ethical questions and inspire concerns. Let's explore this eerie side of artificial intelligence together. Artificial intelligence has rapidly evolved. It's changing industries, our lives, and even our psyche. Yet some experiments push boundaries too far. They can probe privacy and manipulate emotions. What begins as harmless research may lead to unforeseen consequences. First, there's the AI trained to mimic human behavior. Researchers use datasets of videos and conversations. The goal? Create AI that behaves like us. While fascinating, it raises unsettling questions. How far will we let machines invade our lives? Next, consider the social credit score AI. Inspired by China's system, this AI assesses human behavior. It watches everything from shopping habits to social interactions. What happens when your score influences your job prospects or relationships? Moving on, look at AI in surveillance. Facial recognition systems are everywhere. They identify us in real time, but for what cost? Privacy invasion is real, and it's alarming how effortlessly it occurs. There's also AI that generates deepfakes. This technology manipulates video and audio. It makes us question what's real. The potential for misuse is significant, impacting trust and integrity. Let's not forget reinforcement learning in military applications. AI trains to make real-time decisions in combat. The potential for error is terrifying. How do we ensure these systems prioritize human safety? Now, to illustrate these points, consider a person monitored by a social credit AI. Every tiny action impacts their score. They might change behaviors leading to societal conformity. Is this what we want for humanity? In summary, AI experiments can both awe and terrify. While they promise incredible advancements, ethical dilemmas lurk beneath. It's vital to question this trajectory. What can you do? Stay informed. Share this video and discuss these issues. Together we can ensure technology benefits all. Subscribe for more insights into the AI world.